Alright guys, today's going to be a really short video. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be showing you how to save money on shipping. And today we're going to ship this beautiful mouse pad that I made during one of my recent live streams. You can see just how good those colors are on that. But we're shipping it to a friend of mine. And first things first, we'll go ahead and get it packaged up. Because no diggity, you got to bag it up. No pun intended. I do like that song though. And what we're going to do for boxing, we're actually just going to put it in one of these old boxes. This is just a tumbler box. And what we can actually do, I'm going to just push them together. And there you go. And they'll just slide together like so. We got a nice tight fit. And there we go. If we put a little tape on those edges, that box ain't going nowhere. It'll be perfect. So what we'll do now, sorry for the volume. As with packaging anything, we'll just take our tape gun and put a couple pieces and just get it, just get it kind of reinforced a little bit. Again, sorry for the loud noises. We'll try to edit that in post where it's not so bad. And see, that ought to do it, but I'm gonna run another piece here just to make sure. And we're gonna be shipping this using not stamps.com, but we're gonna be using Pirate Ship. It's a completely free shipping service. And it's freaking amazing. And if you're not already a member, you should totally check it out. It's 100% free. You get discounted shipping rates. They're really nice people. And there we go. That box will work just fine. Next up, we're going to be using our shipping scale. This is just a cheap Amazon shipping scale. Nothing special. We're going to see how much she weighs. First, we'll go ahead and zero out the scale. And boom. So we weigh almost 1 pound on the dot, so 15 ounces. So we'll do right at a pound even, and it'll be just fine. I forgot, we also do need to measure. My guess is that it's 14 by 3.5 by 3.5, so 14 by 4 by 4 should work. Alright guys, first thing you obviously want to do is get an account set up, get signed into your account, and you can just create a single label right here. Alright, and all you really have to do is just paste the address. We'll do that, and I'm going to blur this out for confidentiality, but there we go. So that should work. And you'll see it'll auto-populate everything. We don't want rubber stamps. That's my bad. You set your from shipping address. We're doing a box, and it is 14 by 4 by 4, 1 pound, 0 ounces. And it's really that easy to ship. And you'll see that the rates, let it process. I expect it to be like $6 or $7, something like that. See, $7.78. That's cheaper than the post office, and you can literally just run it in and just go with it. And then you can buy a label. It'll charge your payment method on file, and then you can just print the label. And yep, and just print it to our laser printer, which ours is a little brother laser. So there we go. It's that easy. It's freaking amazing. It's amazing, you guys. It's insane how good it is. And then we'll just go attach the label, and we'll have it ready to go to the post office. All right, now that we have the label printed, and I kind of messed it up a little bit. That's completely my bad. I hit my shoulder on the heat press, and it freaking hurt, which really sucks. So we're going to try to position the tracking number where they can see it and scan it. hopefully the address is all on the other side. So we're just going to, I like to just tape it like that. And then we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. And there we go. Just tape it on down and it'll be ready to send. Super duper easy. Told y'all it was so easy to do. Like, look how easy that is. And we just saved like $3 or $4 off of retail rates. Pirate Ship is amazing to use at home. And then you literally just walk into the post office, drop it off. It's already done, everything. And there you go. Super easy. No more waiting. Good stuff. So, shout out to Pirate Ship for offering this. This is not a promoted video in any way. It's just, I just love the product. It's a great product. So, until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Appreciate it.